Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison for you. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 and the iRobot Roomba combo. These two products are both from iRobot, but they have different features and functionalities. So let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is priced at $449, while the iRobot Roomba combo comes in at $349. So the Roomba combo is more budget-friendly. However, keep in mind that the price difference reflects the differences in features and capabilities. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is designed for mopping and is ideal for multiple rooms and larger spaces. It can navigate around objects and under furniture, cleaning finished hard floors including hardwood, tile, and stone. With its VSLAM navigation, it learns the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps, enabling it to expertly clean and navigate in neat, efficient rows. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba combo is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. It features a powerful 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. It can vacuum and mop wet or dry floors, giving you the convenience of both functions in one machine. Both products come with impressive smart features. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 offers smart mapping, which allows you to control where it cleans and when. You can even set up keep-out zones to avoid sensitive areas. It also learns your cleaning habits and suggests personalized schedules. The iRobot Roomba combo, on the other hand, creates an imprint smart map of your home, allowing you to direct it to clean any specific room or area. It also works with voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, making it easy to control with voice commands. Now, let's talk about some additional features that set these products apart. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 has the ability to target specific areas within your rooms for hands-free mopping. You can simply request it through your voice assistant or the app. It also offers a personalized cleaning experience, learning your cleaning patterns over time. The iRobot Roomba combo, on the other hand, offers compatibility with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal. With this feature, you can enjoy up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming without having to empty the bin manually. Let's take a look at some online reviews to get a better understanding of what customers are saying about these products. And there you have it, a comparison between the iRobot Braava Jet M6 and the iRobot Roomba combo. Both products offer unique features and benefits, so it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Remember, always consider factors like price, cleaning performance, smart features, and any additional features that may be important to you. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.